TheCraftyGemini, and in this video I want to bring you all the details on the new Hack Pack online course for my Westchester Dolman top. I'm going to give you the early bird sale price and all the details of exactly what's included. If you were following along with the Westchester Dolman top free video so long, you're probably already familiar with this top. In this video, I'm giving you the details of what's included in a brand new Hack Pack video course. If you're not familiar with sewing pattern hacks, it's basically alterations that we're making to the original pattern to create totally different looking garments that suit our needs for different things, right? So here I'm wearing the Westchester Dolman top, except that the original 3/4 kind of length sleeve has been shortened to make it more of a breezy little short sleeve t-shirt. I also adjusted the neckline on this one and dropped it a little bit lower. I have a free video sew along. It's a 7-part high definition video series that you can access completely for free, as well as download the PDF pattern on how to make this top for free as well. This video is for the details on the new Hack Pack course that is not free. It's actually a course that you will sign up for. We will have high definition recorded video lessons, and everyone will also be accompanied with a live video chat that is only going to be available for those students that have signed up for the Hack Pack course. So I want to go through and tell you the 6 different hacks I will be teaching you how to make to the Westchester Dolman top pattern, as well as 2 free bonus courses. In the Hack Pack video course, every week a new course for a new hack is going to be posted to the private website where only students who have registered will be able to access it. The first hack is going to be how to adjust the same original scoop neckline that's included on the pattern for you, and that way I will show you exactly what you need to do to bring it up or bring it down. We'll talk measurements, how to plot points, and where exactly you need to make those adjustments so that you end up with a nice looking neckband. For hack number 2, I will be teaching a different neck finishing technique for knit tops. So instead of the neckband option, which I'm wearing here, and I also taught you how to do in the free video sew along, as part of the Hack Pack video number 2 lesson, I will be teaching you how to do a neck binding technique, which is slightly different, gives it a different look, and it doesn't actually increase the height of the neckline area like this one does. For hack number 3, I'll be teaching you how to turn this round or scoop neckline into an actual V-neck. Now don't worry if you don't like a V-neck super low, because we're going to go over all the measurements and changes to the actual pattern. I'll show you how to make the different alterations so that you can make a deep V-neck or just keep it slightly higher if you're simply going for the look and the shape of a V-neck without being too revealing. Hack number 4 will teach you how to go from 3/4 length sleeves down to a short sleeve length. Now I've gotten tons of great compliments on the length of the sleeve here, and I will be going over that. A lot of tops these days, for patterns especially, will teach you how to make a cap sleeve, and I know many of you out there are not fans of the cap sleeve because you prefer to cover more of your arm. So I think this is a very flattering sleeve while still being comfortable and not too tight. So this is the hack that I'm going to be teaching you how to make, and we'll play around with different lengths of the short sleeves. Hack number 5 will be how to turn the Dolman top into a long sleeve t-shirt. Now this can get tricky because we have our biceps, we also have elbows that we definitely want to have some room in there for. Thankfully we're also working with stretch knits, but if you don't want it to be completely open and loose at the wrist, I'm also going to be covering all the pattern drafting techniques that you'll want to know so that you can implement them to make the sleeve all the way down to your wrist just as tapered or as loose as you would like to wear it. And the 6th and final hack is where I show you how to take the top pattern and turn it into a tunic or dress length. Now we will be talking in that lesson again about fabric and fiber content as well as fabric weight, because the same fabric that you are comfortable using for a top, because you're wearing it with pants or whatever bottom, may not be what you want to use when you're turning it into a dress that's not necessarily going to have another bottom piece underneath it. So keep that in mind, and that's something that we will be covering when we get to hack number 6. So those are the 6 hacks that I will be teaching you how to make as a part of my new Hack Pack online video course. Now, of course, I've added 2 freebie bonuses for an added value there for you. And these 2 bonuses are going to be 1, how to create the top, the dress, no matter which option we cover in the Hack Packs, but how to do that just using a serger. And then the other bonus video is going to be on how to use your cover stitch machine for top stitching around the neckline, optional around sleeve bands, and then how to hem it using a cover stitch. So if you don't have a serger, or maybe you do and you don't know how to use it, You're definitely going to get something out of those free bonus lessons. Or maybe you're thinking about getting a serger and this pattern has got you just kicked off and started making your own clothes. Those are going to come in handy so that you can see exactly how those specialty machines are used. Now let's talk pricing. You're getting 6 individual video courses on the different hacks that I just covered. You're adding on 2 additional bonus video courses for free, a total of 8. And it's only going to be offered right now at the early bird sale price until Sunday, okay, at $47. Now, if you've never signed up for any of my paid courses or online clubs, then you may not be familiar with how they work. Well, once you pay, you get access to a private video page on my website that only people who sign up for these classes or clubs will be able to access. Once you log in with your account, you'll have a welcome message there, and that is where all the video courses for each hack will be posted every Monday starting next Monday, August 20th. So every single Monday, we're not going to throw this or lengthen it out over months and months. We're going to do it weekly so we can get through all 6 video lessons, the 2 added bonus courses, and then we're also going to bump it up another bit. Because I know everybody's body is different, and as detailed as I want to be in my video lessons, they don't often cover all the questions that you all have. So what we've done with this hack pack course is that for every hack that we are including, we are also going to be offering you a live stream session private only for the students of my hack pack course to ask me questions. So the idea is a new hack video course will go up on a Monday, and that following Sunday, so you have all week to kind of watch the video, play around with your fabric at home, try the hack out, and that following Sunday, I will meet with you online in a live stream classroom so that we can answer and ask questions, and that I can show you and talk a little bit more about the hack video course that was posted that week. So we're going to do that for the next 6 weeks. So this is not going to be stretched out over months and months. It's every Monday, a new hack course will be uploaded to the private website, and the following Sunday, you'll meet with me live to chat. Now, if you're overseas or you work during the times that we schedule the live chats, don't worry, because all the questions everybody else is asking, chances are we're going to be answering the same questions that you might have in those live streams. And thankfully, we record all of them, so they will be posted to the private website as well for you to go back and watch, even if you participated in the live chat, or for you to go in and watch the recording if you missed it live. So you're getting all of that, basically 8 different video courses and 8 different live chats, and the opportunity for you to ask me questions live and in person. So here's how it works. I've included a link for you below. If you use that link to sign up between now and Sunday night at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time, that's the cutoff, you can take advantage of the early bird sale price, which is only $47. After Sunday at 11:59 p.m., I'm bumping the price up to $67. So if you want to save 20 bucks, go ahead and sign up now, because if you know me, and a lot of you out there have taken my online paid video courses or have paid to join some of my clubs, you know that when that early bird sale price ends, that's it. It will never go back down to that price. And even when I rarely offer sales, we never get anywhere near the early bird sale price. So that's going to be the lowest price that this hack pack course will ever be. So if you're thinking about it or you think you might want to sign up, go ahead and take advantage of it, because again, the video courses and content never expire for you. If you have any specific questions for me about the new hack pack video course, go ahead and leave them in the comment section below, and I'll try to answer them as soon as I can, because surely if you have a question, probably somebody else also is wondering the same thing. So I will be answering them in the comment section for everyone to see my reply and the answer. Now, for my international friends, we have hundreds and hundreds of students from all over the world that sign up for my different video courses and online clubs. So no, even if you don't live inside the United States, you are still able to access and sign up for my hack pack courses and any of my other courses, right? Because all the content is posted on a private web page. All you need to do, and you want to make sure that you have this, is a good enough internet connection so that you're able to stream high definition videos. Once you have that and you have reliable internet connection, you're going to be good to go. All right, and that is it for this video. If you enjoyed it and you're looking forward to signing up for the hack pack course, go ahead and hit this video with a thumbs up below. Share it with your friends across the different social media sites. And remember that you have until Sunday at 11:59 p.m. Eastern to take advantage of the sale price. Thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you in class.